situation changes daily. Through some pain, through the music we playing. Music we creating, stimulating, debating, loving and hating. Alright, yo, what up? Snipes checking in. We're here in Bacala Lake, outside of Tulum in Quintana Roo. With the boys, Tito Indigo.
We out here.
Beatnik Chemist, whoop, can't see. There we go. Beatnik Chemist, Chop Diggy. Sleep Shaker Films.
Doing our thing.
We just ordered some ceviche and a bunch of other stuff. We've been going hard. This is like the first day we actually get to chill a little bit, so it's nice. And we're at the Lake of Seven Colors. As you can see, it goes from dark blue to super light turquoise. So I'm gonna eat and I'll probably maybe hop in for a little refresher. Know what I'm saying? Whoops, forgot to show you all the ceviche. It was great. So I haven't been able to pull out cash for days, and I've called the bank multiple times. They keep saying it's all good. I got cash out one time, and I called today and there's a glitch in the Chase Bank system. They're reading that my card has a duplicate card, even though the head of security or whatever, the supervisor security guy, he said, yeah, there's definitely no fraud going on. It's all your activity, but there's nothing we can do. The card will not be accepted anywhere with a chip, which is everywhere. So yeah, I basically tried to pull out $180 US, and now I can't do anything until I get back to America and they send me another card. So we have worked out a little system where I buy the gas on a credit card, and these lovely gentlemen I'm traveling with will reimburse me in pesos. So that's what we're doing. Just giving out a little bit of the trials and tribulations. We also broke our tent, broke my inflatable pad, hit an 18-wheeler, got attacked by a bunch of ants at 5 a.m. and we lost a drone, a brand new $1,000+ drone. All in all, it's been great though. And now I'm enthralled staring at this turquoise water at this freshwater lake. Bacala.
Not succeeding in what we attempt. Dunking all these buses, the unkempt. Sean Kemp, Mexico van life, pitch the tent. Happiness, only thing blowing out our van.
Yo, we just pulled over and got this pineapple bread and some pineapples, and I jumped out the car and the little kid said, "We won the lottery!"
Bugs and deer, the past in my rear, the present up ahead. Use my legs hard and head to be the best till I'm dead. So
I don't care about the clothes you wear.
We don't care now.
Rolling down this old road to share.
And we rolling.
I don't care about the clothes you wear.
We don't care now.
Rolling down this old road to share.
We just share till I'm dead.
I don't care about the clothes you wear.
According in the van get thrown.
Rolling down this old road to share.
And we rolling.
I don't care about the clothes you wear.
We don't care now.
Rolling down this old road to share.
We just share.
Yesterday we took a break, and today we are resting as well. We finally made it to the beach, and here we are on one of the beaches in Tulum. SniperShot and Beatnik Chemist are taking the day to go to an isolated beach, while I spent some time here in Tulum. We wanted to get a little bit of space. We've had a chaotic last week or so. Got attacked by ants, lost the drone, Jay got sick a couple days before that. So now we're finally able to rest here on the beach. As you can tell, there aren't very many people here. There's not a very big beachfront here in Tulum. It's a small town. It's a 10-minute bike ride outside of the town of Tulum to get here. We're surrounded by hotels. On the other side of this giant rock I'm sitting at are more beaches. Although they don't look the best, they have a lot of seaweed next to them. This is a nice little reprieve to be able to relax here on the beach. As you can see, everyone's enjoying it, taking it easy. Not very much loud music. Everyone just seems to be kind of relaxing. And it feels great to finally kick it after being on the move for so long. I went into town today, bought a shirt, bought a pair of pants, ate some local juices, hung out with some locals, and here we are, Tulum. I would highly recommend this area to anyone. If you go to Cancun or Playa, you will see a lot more tourists. And still, Tulum is getting more and more touristy, but for now, it's pretty relaxing. Hopefully SniperShot and Beatnik Chemist have a lot of cool footage to show us from their reprise on their private beach. But for now, I just wanted to show you what it's like here in Tulum and what you can expect if you ever come here. Very relaxed vibe. Usually when I pull this camera out, a lot of people look at me, but no one really cares here. They're too interested in what they're doing. This is Tito Indigo here at Tulum, Azulik Beach. I recommend it to anyone. Okay guys, this is Tito Indigo. Just took like a 15-minute, 10-minute bike ride down the road. This is my friend from Switzerland over here walking towards us. That's Angelo. This is Jan right here. Hanging out by the beach in Tulum. What's up, Jan? Yeah, check it out, y'all. We got some white sand. A little piece of paradise here. Check it out, y'all. I think I might go get a massage. There's some massages over there. SniperShot and Beatnik Chemist are hanging out at some secluded beach. I'm sure it's great. But as you can tell, I'm kind of having my own adventure out here. Just hung out at some bar, got a couple drinks right by the beach. Got back on the bike. Met up with these two guys from Switzerland from the hostel we're staying at. Decided to go check out another part of the beach. This one's a little more secluded than the one we were at earlier, but still developed. Still quite nice though, the sand. Honestly, Tulum is one of my favorite parts of Mexico. Haven't even gotten in the water today, but there's still so much to do and just hang out and see.
Okay, day 16. We are here at the beach. I'm so excited, like beyond myself. I'm about to run out there right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Almost just stepped on this dude on accident.
Ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. Cause my past is ancient history. Said, ain't got no stresses. I'm trying to be the best that I can be.
Yo, what up? SniperShot checking in. We're at a secret beach here north of Tulum. Just got a little bit of cloud coverage up above. We've been basking in the sun, floating around. It's been pretty epic, of course. Doing a little time lapse right here as well. So, yeah, man, we're just out here living life, enjoying it, you know? One love.
guys. We are Jan and Angelo from Switzerland. Very happy to be here with you.
Tripping balls on the roof of
Tripping
Tulum.
Oh shit.
The government ain't the Constitution. La libertad, ellos gustan. A revolution, a revolution.
Secret beach, we're tired of whoa, I can go. We did the road, making music from the heart. And how we make it go, balloon pie, vibe, that bro.
People want a revolution. The government ain't the Constitution. La libertad, ellos gustan. Revolution. I can be, 'cause my past is ancient history. Said ain't got no stresses. I'm trying